Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. I'm so excited to try out this adorable bronzer today. It's from the brand Kimchi Chic Beauty and it's the Thailor bronzer that I got here in the shade 01 I Went To Malibu, and it says, as if you just came back from vacation. Oh, I want to go on like a tropical beach vacation so badly, but because I'm not, I am so excited to make my skin look like I did get some sun-kissed glow, some color, and check out the adorable packaging. So cute. And this is cruelty-free, paraben-free, PEGs-free, phthalate-free, sulfate-free, synthetic fragrance-free, and vegan. And all of that, this cute packaging with a lot of product in it for only $15. I feel like that is not a crazy price point. And so it even has the mirror here. Oh, I'm very excited about this color. You know, first things first, I'm going to swatch it. Oh, it has such a nice velvety texture. Wow, yeah, so that actually is light, but definitely more of like a more orangey yellow tone, which really does look like a beautiful tan. Not very dark though. I mean, it is in the shade 1, but that's lighter of a color than I was expecting. So I probably really can apply this kind of all over as like a tanning effect. I also like to use my bronzer as a contour, so I'm going to go with kind of an in-between brush, this fluffy round one that I can still maybe get a little precise for the cheeks here. So I'm going to start actually right there on the cheeks, but I'm not too worried about picking up too much, and blend this. I mean, when it initially goes on, it's actually got quite a bit of pigment, but you can see it's blending out pretty subtle. So I don't feel like I can necessarily contour very much. And when I do kind of build it up to contour like that, it looks too orangey yellow to actually like look like a shadow effect. So I am going to use this just as kind of an all over dusting of color to make it look like a tan. It definitely is golden. It's pretty. My cheeks are very shiny, so I can use this to also kind of mattify that and be a bit of my blush. I like how that looks as like a sun-kissed glowing blush. And then I can take it over my nose to look more naturally sun-kissed. But I'm kind of using this almost as like a setting powder to give that all over tan. It definitely gives that warm, sun-kissed glow to my skin that truly does look like I got some sun. Ooh, wow. Just want to blend it out so that it looks the most natural. But that is quite a dramatic difference. I feel like my skin tone went from like dead of winter to peak of summer, which is literally where we are right now. It's a heat wave, it's like peak summertime, but I didn't have any vacation glow. But this product really makes it look like I do. Also can't forget about under the jawline and down the neck. But it's very easy to blend. A really nice formula that did slightly mattify the skin, but it didn't leave like a dry or chalky or cakey texture. Very smooth, natural finish, which I really love, and I'm very picky. But there we go. I'm so excited about my bronzed look right now. and I love the packaging, so I'm very happy with this. If you've tried it out, I would love to hear what you think of it. I would love to hear what kind of uses you have for it. This also could be a beautiful shade to put in the crease of the eyelids, use as an eyeshadow. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.